How to fix Instagram freeze, try again later problem. Easy and quick. If you want to fix it, it's easy. First, just go to settings and then scroll down until you find apps again, and now just click here and type freeze. Now storage, clear cache, go back, and then just go back and try again. If that doesn't fix your problem, now try to turn off your Wi-Fi and turn it on again. And if that also doesn't fix it, just restart your phone and try to launch it again. And that's it for today's video. It's easy to fix it, and I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.